The question says simplify this expression. Okay, so how do we do this solution? Okay, so we have the square root of 125 square within the parentheses is by minus 1 over 3. Okay, so let us try to work with this. So here we have this as 125 squared. Okay, we have a negative rational exponent, so we have this as minus 1 over 3. Okay, so at this point, when we apply the exponent rule, so we have this as 125. Okay, so this is multiply this, we have this as minus 2 over 3. Okay, so for minus 2 over 3, so let us try to work with this minus at the exponents. So by doing that, we are going to introduce 1. Okay, so we have 1 over 125, okay, raised by 2 over 3. Okay, so for this, it means 1 over the cube root, okay, of 125 all squared. Okay, so here we have this as 1 over, so for the cube root of 125 is 5. Okay, so we have 5, and for 5 squared, we have this as 1 over 25. Okay, do not forget our square roots. Okay, so we have it here. So for the square root of 1 over 25, so for the square root of 1, we have to be 1. For the square root of 25, we have it to be 5. So our answer is 1 over 5. Okay, so for the second expression, we have the fourth root of 16, a raised to power minus half. Okay, so let us break it down as the fourth root, okay, of 16 times, okay, the fourth root, okay, of a raised to power minus half. So for the fourth root of 16, it means a number we can multiply by itself 4 times, that will give us 16, that is 2. So we have 2 times, so we can write this part of the expression as a raised to power minus 12. Okay, so for the fourth root, we reverse it as 1 over 4. Okay, so it will be the new exponent. So for a raised to power minus 12, okay, raised by 1 over 4, so we apply the exponent rule for this part. Okay, so when we have a raised by minus 12 raised by 1 over 4, so here is a raised by minus 12 times 1 over 4. So this will simplify this, that is 3. So we have a raised by minus 3. Okay, so this will be, we now have it as a raised by minus 3. Okay, so times 2. Okay, so when we do this, so we have this as 2 times, so for a raised by minus 3, we have it as 1 over a raised by 3. Okay, so which equals 2 over a raised power 3. Okay, for the third expression, we have this as 75 a square b raised power minus 2 over 5. Okay, a raised power 3 b raised power minus 3. Okay, so we simplify. Okay, so we reduce this, we have 5 here to be 1. Okay, 5 into 7, so in 25, so we have 5 in 75 to be 15. So here we have a raised power 2, okay, minus, okay, as a result of this division, we minus, so we minus 3. Okay, since we are comparing the same terms using division, so we subtract. Okay, so for b raised power minus 2, okay, which is this, divide, which is minus. Okay, so here we have this as minus 3. Okay, so for this we have this as 15a. So for 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Okay, and for b we have this as minus 2. Minus times minus is plus, so this is plus 3. So we have this as 15. So for a raised to the power minus 1, we have it as times 1 over a, okay. And for b, so times b, so this is minus 2 plus 3, which is 1, okay, which is b. So we can express our final result as 15 times 1 times b, so we have 15b over a, okay. And for the last expression, we have 0.027 raised to the power 2 over 3, okay. So let's convert this to a fraction. So we have it as 27 over 1000, okay, raised to the power 2 over 3, okay. So how do we convert this to a fraction? So we rule a straight line. This point turns to 1, all this turns to 0 at the denominator, so we repeat 27, okay. So expressing this as a result of this fractional index, so we introduce a radical sign, so this will be like a cube root, okay, of 27 over 1000, okay. So we square our results as a result of this, okay. So we square it. So when we do this, so when we look at this, the cube root of 27, so for the cube root of 27, okay, it means 3 over, so for the cube root of 1000, that is 10, so all squared, okay. So for 3 square means 3 times 3, 10 square means 10 times 10, so for 3 times 3 is 9, okay. For 10 times 10 is 100. So when we write this in decimal, we have 0.09.